Uh, I saw Vicky earlier. No? Vicky's there. So I'm gonna just put a little bit of right here because I am going to do some crystals on that one. And also this one, I'm gonna just put just a little bit crystal here. And maybe right here. All right, you need to pay attention on this. It's because my hands is off the camera.
Keep leaning back.
Okay, close this one. And now I'm applying the condensed wool gels. That's how you're going to do it for your crystal placements. And I'm going to using is Snow White top coat. The Snow White top coat will help me. Hold on, just 1 second. I might want to put some beads on that. So just in case that you forgot to have the beads on, the condensed wool gels on, I'm going to using my precision glue right here. I dropped that. It's over there. Sorry. I just drop everything. And then this one as well. So we need to top coat this. And just in case I forget this, why is this one? It's always off.
Because you keep moving your hand this way. There you go.
Because he's trying to fix it, and then now I'm going to that way. That's look good now. Okay, good.
Yeah.
No, I got this. But can you do any type of flower with this? Hold on. Should I? I'm gonna do some colors with this, okay? Live were asking some questions I didn't follow with everyone yet, so I would answer all your questions. This is really simple, easy for all of us, like who is really love nail art, and then just starting with your 3Ds, flowers, just really simple, and then you can just cure it. Also, you can do, if you want to do more, you can do beads on it. You can do so many, like so many with this. I can sit here and do all day with 4D gel because it's so easy, to the point that if I make a mistake, I can always like take it off. You can see me did earlier, I remove part of it because I feel like it's a little bit thick. so you can control the portion. It's so easy. But with liquid gunpowder that you see me before, like you have to be really precise, and then sometimes if you get a mistake, then you couldn't stop it. It's just it's gonna set, and then if you want, you can have to like fire it off and fix it again. So it's just simple. All right, so I'm gonna cure this one for 60 seconds. This is simplest nails ever I got to do. But okay, go to the next ones. This one is so super cute and simple as well. I love everyone's for the love and support. Every time we're doing a live videos, we do it all from a basics to advanced. And also, if you see something that you want to see, let us know. If something that we haven't get done for you from an IGTV, or if you have question, you can always like let us know. So then that's why we can direct you or send you the pictures or the video before we did it before. And something that you didn't see it and you want to see, we absolutely can do the video for that. All right, so I did playing with this one is really cool, but I don't know if I want that. You know, what do you think? I should leave that one alone, should I? It's too much. I'm gonna take this off. My tweezer, everyone. I'm gonna pick it right there. I don't know. That's all I want, I think. Otherwise, I'm gonna cover everything. Then you can't see all of them. So I'm using gel painting, but with precision brush. This one, I just playing with this earlier. Where is that at? Oh, I have it right here. No, I don't need it. Okay, so either this, you're gonna put one smallest crystals, or you can do is like a gold beads. It depends on however you would like. But then I would think you can do silver. Silver looks cute because I did have a silver strips on it. So all of this, I just be doing it because I did that, you know, all different kind of techniques like that before. If you really want to see that from beginning, let me know so we can able to do that again for the next live videos. I'm gonna kill this one for 60 seconds. And here's a gel painting that I'm using with a precision brush. Let me open it. It's really cool though. You can get really thin, you know, like strokes from this precise brush. So let's go into do some precision glue on this one, and the other one's coming being ready, so we're gonna do a precision glue again. Well, actually, as I like this angle is better. I usually have to move on that side, so just squeeze just a little bit and make sure they are like you feeling cracks, gap between. Then you're gonna squeeze it in. All right, so cure this one for 60 seconds. Before that, I'm gonna using my twin tip brush to make sure this not gonna be like extra precision glue hanging there, because when I cure it's gonna look lumpy. So I am gonna blend it out, make sure they'll stay good. Okay. And the second ones, we are going to do this. Just a little bit. I am going to use my tinted brush and blend it out. Okay, and cue this one for 60 seconds. All right. So now we're gonna do is some funs with our, make sure you don't lose this red cap because you needed it. Just prevent from cloggings and spilling. This is just really simple that I'm using the 40 gels, which is I'm using light blush. And on the part of, you know, stickers, this is for someone who don't have chamfer foil gels or chamfer foil design. So with the stickers I'm using is solid LV Louis. So you can get that one, and then playing the same, I using these parts right here to place them up. And this one is Chanel's, and this one actually is from the chamfer foil collection number 31. I'm using that one, number 31. So great. Okay, so I am going